Okay, hopefully this works. I've had a battle with this all evening. I don't even know anymore. My YouTube's got this thing now where I cannot stream no longer on my mobile device, which is what I usually do. Stick my phone on the computer there and have it set up, or go straight away and do it that way. But now I have to have 1,000 some subscribers in order to do so. Way to take freaking freedom there, YouTube. God, freaking assholes. Anyways, yeah, I'm pretty much just done with that. You deleted that. Why are you still there? Delete this video. Yes, go away. Thank you. What the hell? Drive me up the wall. Anywho, um, I've I've tried everything, anything, and nothing's working. So hopefully you work. This Cyberlink you can. That's already built my computer. You better work. Anyways, you didn't tell about the thumbnail already. Basically, um, ever since I was pretty much able to walk and talk, if that's how you want to say it, you know how you put it, I've always had a passion for cars. That lighting looks like way off. Let me try and yeah, that looks better. I guess my face a little bit. I don't look right. Of course, my glasses are right. Ding! I like that. Anyways, always had a passion for cars, and I always have this motto: when you can't afford in real life, you just get the smaller version. So, um, so as you can see, like for now, I'm going to show you my Hot Wheels collection. I have I have some giant lightnings, and I have some green lights, and I have a whole bunch of others that I'll just throw in there. But for now, let's start off this. I'm going to put that out of the way. Where are you? There you are. First off is my man glare. Let's try and does it look better if I do it this way? Yeah, but now put the glare on the thing. Let's try just having it. Oh, come on. I hate touch. Motion activate. Alright, so there's that. Well, you can't tell now. There. That looks better. So as you can see, it's the Buns of Steel. It's the fast food looking truck. It's got a menu on the sides. There's one right there. It's got the whatchamacallit, french fries in the cab. It's got a cheeseburger obviously on the bed there. I only wonder if that came off, but it's part of the place inside. And then it comes with colas. Oh, I gotta move over. Colas. And you can see like the little popping dots in the whole straw holes. But there's the exhaust pipes. But so there's that one. Next one is a 2001 Acura Integra GSI for the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics line. Got K&W Graphics. I don't know, can you pick it up? Let me show you. Yeah, you can see K&W on the side. I love the wheels, and I love purple and yellow tampon. Because purple and yellow is my school colors. There's that. The next one is a 1982 Nissan Skyline R30. And it's this one here. Looks pretty cool. I like the wheels. They're pretty cool. Yeah, so there's that one. Next one is a 1984 Audi Sport Quattro, and it's rally race car looking. Like I don't like the wheels at all. I hate the wheels. Honestly, there's those, and it's got its quirks and features, as Doug DeMuro would say. Yeah, there's that little one. I love them for 2018. Next one is a Mercedes AMG GT. I think it's like 2016. there's that one. But yeah, there's that. Now, before I go any further, I'm just showcasing the ones I don't have boxes for right now. I have a whole other crate. I don't have packages, but I'm not going to dig through those right now because they're packed somewhere. But later on the video, I will do the live unboxing, which I'm hurrying up to get this because I don't want. Yeah. The next one is the 1985 Aeroxy Camaro, and it's metallic blue, and man, is she pretty. But yeah, there's that one. I think this one didn't come with a package. I think I bought this one. I bought off eBay. It was one of those 10 packs or 12 packs. I really like this car. I didn't want to buy a whole pack. Wow, yeah, this is a like 2011 model. Here is, okay, as you know, I'm Elvis fan or impersonator or whatever you call it. But what I got here is Green Light brand. But here is Elvis's 1955 Cadillac Fleetwood, and it's all its glory. Which was cool though, because I actually got the Matchbox Collectibles Graceland with the 55 Fleetwood Cadillac. She's pretty, and it's got Elvis. Oop, yeah, it's got Elvis on it. Yeah, there's that. Pretty cool. I don't think I've ever taken this out, but yeah, it's got a Graceland in the background. So yeah, that's that. But also with this Cadillac came this Silverado. That's it. That's what we call it. And I'm sorry for the glare. This light is like super duper bright. But yeah, there's this Silverado, and it's got black. It's 210 actually. Yeah, 210, whatever. It's black. It's got white, but it trims it with gold line, and it looks really good. And it came with this Elvis trailer. And it literally has Elvis all over it. Yeah. Yeah, it likes to glare a little bit. Why is it glaring? Oh, no, don't want to do that. Yeah, there's that. Okay. If I'm speaking quietly and if people asleep in the house, don't want to wake them up. Okay, there's those. The next one is a Johnny Lightning 1995 Chevy Caprice or Impala, whatever you prefer. And it's in black with curved ABS looking wheels. Quite the beauty. Okay, there's that one. These are ones I've gotten recently. The next one is a movie car from Hot Wheels. It's my ultimate favorite one because if you can see that way, look at this car right here. I got the Hot Wheels version. Now, I wish I had. Where's that light though? Is it the light doing it? You know, it's covered. Maybe it's this one? No. Someone's creating back. There we are. But yeah, you can see now the decos. If it's something white, it's black. But yeah, there's your Herbie. And also, I wish I had the retro entertainment because it actually looked like him. Next one is a custom Ford Maverick. I don't know who the guy is, but I've seen this actual car. This is an actual car, paint and all, but yeah, there's this car. And what's cool is that's a whole black piece, but the red in the silver gas cap is actually a Tampo. And the black grill is black grill. Yeah, well, there's that. And I love the wheels. Look to go in a car, especially for what I saw in real life. Next one is a 2017 Ford GT. I'm gonna slow that down a bit. 2017 Ford GT. I know I said it too fast, but yeah. Here is, it's in the nice light blue, almost mid blue, I guess, with white stripes, and it's got blue interior. Odd, but yeah, there's that car. I always like that. Why is that new Ford GT? I had another one. I hope I didn't throw it because of YouTube being a douchebag. What? Oh, hold I lost it? Oh, here it is. Alright. Next one, I found it by the way, is a Nissan GTR 1997 Nissan GTR Skyline R33 in midnight purple. Now, this is one of my favorites because I love this car. It looks beautiful with that pink scheme. That I actually bought one before offline, it's off eBay, and I never opened out the package. It just looks great. So, there's that. All in all its glory. So I went and bought another one that didn't have the box. Because I was like, man, I really like this car. So there's that one. This next one is kind of funny. It is, okay now. It is a 2008-ish, I think. I can't tell. It doesn't say anything. This is actually a 2007, 2008 Chevy HHR in sunburnt orange. And I absolutely hate it. Well, I like it with the fact that whoever had this car, well, I guess it was made like that, has the side of the wheels smashed in, so the car's like lopsided, so it looks stupid. But yeah, there's that car. Next car on the list, actually, yeah, let's do this one, is a 2011, I think, 2011 Aston Martin 177, and this really beautiful. It's a new. Well, the mold is 2011, but it is new for the paint scheme. I think it's new for 2019. But it's got this really weird, like like a light British racing green with a black Tampa stripe down it. Oop, yeah. And it's this really weird green. It looks beautiful. There's like an ocean green. So there's that one. The next one is a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574 Superleggera, and it's lime green. And when I bought the game Forza Horizon 4, and in the game you have to race this car in one of the, I'm not going to spoil it, but you get to race this car, and it's really nice. Of course, most people probably played it, but yeah, there's that one. Next one I have here is another car I bought in Forza Horizon 4 that I think I just bought. I like the looks of it. And, well, when I got the Hot Wheels doesn't do it justice. But it's the McLaren 720S. And the way they have the headlights are Tampos. And the way they have it, though, it just looks so... Yeah, it just looks so weird. It makes it look like a... I don't know, a Viper or something. Yeah, and there's a McLaren 720S in plain white. I like the white. Cars like that look good in white. Next one is a car I really love. I bought recently. I actually bought at the same time I bought that Lamborghini. This is a 1994 Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, and it is beautiful. And they did an awesome job on the tampos with the taillights, and then the headlights are a plastic piece. And it's got T-tops, red interior, which looks good. My dad had an IROC Camaro that was white and had red interior with T-tops. But this is a pearl white, and the camera doesn't do it justice, but it looks really pretty. Next on the list is, we'll do this one. This is Greenlight, and she don't need an introduction. She's a star car within herself. It's Eleanor. If you've never seen the movie Gone in 60 Seconds with Nicolas Cage and Angelina Jolie, then you're missing out. That or you just haven't lived. But if you've seen the movie, you've obviously known this is a 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500E fastback Eleanor. That's what the E stands for in GT500, because it's got the Eleanor package. But yeah, there's that. There's her. It's got that. This next one came out in 1978. I have some oldies. And this is that. 1978. All this glory. I don't even have a name for it. I don't even know what it's called. I'll have to look it up. But yeah, there's this fan. It just looks like a space fan with really like retro looking designs, but yeah, it should say 1978. Oh, where's my camera? Right there, right there. Can I focus? Can I focus? You see it. You can see it good enough. That's all that matters. The next one. Let me get these two. And where is? There it is. I really like this because it's really cool. I bought this because I was really into drawing and coloring on that. This is Hot Wheels' art looking truck. Pencil pusher. It's got a pencil holder, or crayon holder, whatever you want to put in it. It's got a crayon sharpener and a pencil sharpener here in this little hole in the middle finger is. And it's got a ruler and a stencil in it. And it's got, you can stick a car in it. And the car that was in it was this school bus. Go figure. And it's like chrome. Wow, it's shiny. It's shiny. Oh, yeah, it's got twin jets, I guess. Yeah, there it is. It's all in its beauty. Yeah. Slide that back in there. Slide in there. There you go. Pencil pusher. Next one is probably one of my favorite cars being within Elvis. It is a 1959 Cadillac. This is Johnny Lang. This is actually new. 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz convertible in custom gloss pink. And man, that camera ain't doing it justice, but you can kind of see it. Yeah, it sure is pretty. And it's even got tilt. It's even got the if you can see it, maybe if you'll focus. I don't think this camera's gonna focus, but it says the King, the license plate. There's that one. This next one is not, it's the 25th anniversary. I wish I had the original. It is it says 1969, but it is the 25th anniversary of the Hot Wheels Twin Mill. I love this car, I really do, and it's really light. Like, this thing is awesome for Hot Wheels. Look, literally, I'm pushing on my actually, can I put the camera down, maybe? Yes, I'm like, literally, this thing is like light as can be. That's so cool. I'll move that out of the way. Let's just do that. Yeah, there's that. That's all the cars that I don't have boxes at the moment. I've just bought a whole bunch of Hot Wheels the other day. And I'll show you. There's 2. There's 3, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Make sure I got the one. Some of them are not, I did not buy the other day. My dad just gave me 2. They just gave them to me. I'm not missing one, am I? Oh. We're gonna go any further. I just found this one in my bed. Corvette C706. This really awesome red that makes it look like it's orange. I don't know why that's actually red. Do I have the... Hang on here. Yes, I got it. Okay. So I got a big probably literally right in front of me. So we're gonna start unboxing. And we'll see what we'll start off with. Okay, let me get these all off first. I just like tossing them everywhere. Okay. Alright. So Family Dollar, my job, recently got a shipment of Hot Wheels in. And you guys are really good ones. So I'm gonna showcase them to you. Let's start off with this one. You just noticed I had the this Corvette, right? This one is a Corvette C7 Z06 convertible in the same color with red lined wheels. There's the alright, let me move my mouse out of the way. I can always use an arrow. Okay, well, there's that, really pretty, and we're going to unbox it. So let's find out how to go with my keys. Well, I'm going to unbox it. Or crack it open, as they say. I've heard people use that term. We're going to crack her open. Yeah, we're going to crack them open. I probably opened this wrong. I don't want to tear the package too much. Wow. Now, if I notice, which I don't know if I did this myself. Yeah, I did this myself. I actually made a spoiler black on it with a Sharpie. But that was the old one. And here's the new one. In all of its glory. And I love the smell of the new Hot Wheels. It just smells like that metal. It smells good. But yeah, there it is. It looks really pretty. It makes it look orange, but it's not orange. It's actually red. But yeah, there you go. This is how girls go. You guys get a really nice, sexy girl, and then that's when you get her topless. Anyways, there's that one. This next one I'm gonna do is a 2010 Camaro SS as part of the Hot Wheels Rescue. Oh, by the way, that Corvette was part of the Hot Wheels Roadster line. It was 5 out of 5, I think. 5 out of 5 cars. Yeah, it was the 5th one out of them. Yeah, this one's the 8th out of. It's the 8th one out of 10. Hot Wheels Rescue 2010 Camaro SS, and it's a police car. Oh, that opened very poorly, but you know. My goodness God. I hate to rip these things because they're... Ooh. Okay, there's the package. See it? Yep, get on. Because here is the car. And it's just a simple Camaro. It's got police, whatchamacallit. But yeah, it's just a Camaro with actually has grill guards or whatever it's called. Yeah, push guard or bull bar. Yeah, bull bar, that's it. But yeah, it's got blue windshield, black interior, I think. And yeah, there you go. There's your police car. So there's that. Okay. The next one I'm going to crack is the... Let's go ahead and crack this one. It is the Porsche Panamera. And it's the 10th one out of the 10th one for Hot Wheels Rescue. This is what she looks like. And then it has that Paluzzi. I don't know, it's probably German. So this is a German car. Okay. Package done. Here she is. Gray interior, light blue windshield. Love the wheels, and it's got like its little spoiler sticking up. It's a really pretty car. I'd get this car in like maybe a dark green or something. With police decals, that'd be nice. Cause I kind of like this car. Yeah, there it is. Porsche Panamera. Like I said, right? Panamera, pancakes, Porsche pancakes, everybody. This next one we'll do. Okay. The next one we're gonna do, take two, is the 1970 Chevelle wagon, SS wagon. And it's really cool looking flames. It's actually, what is, kind of looks like it's black at the front. It's like the same way to the Hot Wheels. So let's go ahead and crack it open. And it's the third one out of 10 of the Hot Wheels flames. I think I have another Hot Wheels flames. I do. It's that one right there. Okay. Oh, what just happened? My knife just like slipped through that. I don't think this thing was ever sealed. Here she is. 1970. Love the smell of Hot Wheels. Go to your store, buy a Hot Wheels, and then smell it, and then see why I like the smell so much. Yeah, there's that. Not all the glory. I've seen Chevelle obviously, but I've never seen him in a wagon. Well, I saw it was like, that was a custom made, but no, it's actually a thing. The next one, oh, that one's empty. We'll do this one. This one has a unique feature to it, or special feature. It is the Hot Wheels Hollinator. And you can stick a Hot Wheels in the back of it. And I'm gonna crack it open. You see it? See it? Yeah, see it? Okay. Actually, yeah, see it close up. And it is the 9 out of 10 of excuse me, of experimenters. 9 out of 10. There we are. If you ever have hiccups, try and belch. It'll go away instantly. Okay, let's go ahead and crack this open. Knock that a little bit. Here she is. Looks really nice. Now, I guess what you do is you pull something out, maybe? Oh. How far does this go? It comes out. So wait a minute. Let's see this work. It literally falls it. That is awesome. I think it just holds up. Let's see if it holds up. It wouldn't hold up this because that's like the freaking Cadillac. It's like, actually, it does pretty, it fits pretty well. But yeah, there's that one. And let's try it with this one. This one fits just right. Actually, sort of. Not really. Yeah. We could try it with, let's try it with Herbie. Herbie takes up a little bit of it. Yeah, it just, yeah, I'm gonna put Herbie on. Here's the Hot Wheels twin now. Let's stick it on there. And, yeah. There's that, and then we just gotta push it back in there. In case you gotta get loosened up, you know, you just gotta pull it in and out. Try and get loosened up. But yeah, there's the Hot Wheels Hollinator. On my recommended Chevelle wagon. Thanks for wagon. Come back down there. I want to open you. This next one is beautiful cars. That is the Nissan Fairlady Z wide body kit. Beautiful. I actually, when I lived in my old town, Marietta, every once in a while, a brown, I think it was just like a 240Z maybe. It looked like this, but didn't have a white body kit on it. It would park outside my house, and I would just stare at it like literally all day. Wow, that opened from the plant, but it's still just weird. I'm gonna get this open. Package. See it? Package. Gone. And here's Bumblebee. Not really. He would. I could see Bumblebee transforming into that thing. I wish you put like maybe some tampos for the taillights for our features. But yeah, there's your white body kit, Nissan Datsun. Or not Nissan Datsun, Nissan Fairlazy. It is basically a Datsun. But yeah, there's that. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. This next one. I hate my life. Not really. Actually, I had a pretty good. This next one, well, there's, I don't know if I mentioned it before, I probably have. There's one of these, that I'm not going to open, and you will see why. I probably mentioned it, I don't know. If I did, I did. If I didn't, don't share. Yeah, there's that. There is a 2016 Camaro SS with this is the 6 of 10 in the Hot Wheels Speed graphics, like the Acura Integra, but this is a newer one. Into the, or no, same one, yeah. Same line. The 16 Camaro, it's got Borla racing graphics on it. And, we're gonna crack her open. I thought I was gonna break a thumbnail with these. Oh my goodness. This one's not gonna open at all. Yeah, just rip it open. That's it, right there. Just rip it. Package. And here it is. Man, it feels really weird because it's matte black, but it has so much tampos on it. It kind of just fills it in. But yeah, there it is. The Borla Camaro, 2016 Camaro. It looks really, really nice. I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of like my favorite buy stuff. I like the regular Camaros, like the base models. In 2016, these are pretty. There's one literally down the street that's like go down the road. Yeah, it's like black and it's just, I could eat it. It looks so good. Not really. This next one I think is pretty nifty because my dad, I showed my dad. He's like, yeah, these things look to be pretty tough, but they were the size of Ford Rangers. That would be the 1987 Dodge D100, but it is in the Baja looking laser. So this one I find pretty cool. One literally has a blister 10 times bigger than a normal one. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah, this one is in Baja mode, and it has a uniqueness to it because, hold on here, let me crack it open, and I will show you. As fast as I don't fail to open this. Come on. Yeah. There we are. I really have to tear the package open. Some people don't want to do that. This is awesome. Package. And here she is. And she's in matte paint as well, which is odd because the package shows a truck and it's in a metallic look. It looks all shiny. See how it has like layers on it? It also supposed to be like shiny or something. But the truck is actually matte. What I think is cool is the back wheels actually have the same, you can see it, the same design line as its counterpart. Okay, there's a Dodge D100. And it's Baja State. Looks really, really good, not gonna lie. I have a kind of a sturdy, kind of a, husky ride to it. The next one is this one. We'll do this one. This is the other Hot Wheels Flames. This is the 1971 Mustang. Funny car. My camera's like weird. Funny car. I'll crack her open. Usually when Hot Wheels makes funny cars. Usually when Hot Wheels makes funny cars, they usually have it where you can pick it up. I don't think this one does. We'll see. Let me work out too. I'm not helping you. There we go. Does it open? No, it does not open. Yeah. Oh. Package. Okay. There she is. In all of her glory. Which, I'm not a big fan of this one. I'm not a big fan of this one. But they have an overlap of chrome. If you can see it, there's like a big blotch of chrome right there. But yeah. Hot Wheels. But yeah, there's that one. Nice red wheels. But yeah, there it is. It's really nice purple color too. I almost like this one. Yeah, same colors. There you go. 71 Mustang. Funny car. This one has a kind of the same feel that Dodge G100 does. That's empty. Here's one. I'm not sure if I want to take out the package. Because it looks so really cool. It says 2011. But, you know. May not be. Yeah, it says 2011. But it looks really cool. It has like a nostalgia look to it. But there it is. And it's a 1984 Hearst Olds. I may not take that out of the package. I'll see how much they're worth first, and then I will take them out of the package. But yeah, and it's really detailed too. Like it's got tampos for the taillights and everything, but not for the headlights because who knows. But yeah, there you are. We'll see if I'll unbox that one. This next one is an older one. I did not get recently. This is 2011. This is the BMW 2000. You could tell because of the design. And there it is. It's a BMW 2002. And I never had this car. I never knew. Ooh, I almost cut myself. I never really heard this car till I started playing Forza. I started racing it. I was like, oh, this is a bad looking car. Okay. Deco or box. Potatoes. Here's this. It's a cute little car. A little BMW. Stick it with Herbie and go racing. Cute little car. I love the blue. The blues really make it a cute little one. Gone. Okay, well there's that one. Let's do this one. This one is part of the Rod Squad. If I haven't said any more about the lines they're in, I'm sorry. I don't. This next one is a 1969 Dodge Charger 500. And I've seen a lot of these be customized as the General Lee. And when they do, it's like, why? And people charge too much money for them because to get an actual Hot Wheels or whatever General Lee or John Wooden General Lee, it's like really expensive. Like I saw one of the General Lees that was Johnny Lightning that was like $1,000. I'm not kidding. And it was the size of a Hot Wheels. I won't be buying a General Lee anytime soon. But yeah, there's this one. What's cool is it has a carbon fiber paint job. I'm not sure it's gonna crack it open. I don't know why I'm doing just sitting holding it open. Okay, you can see from the design, it's got carbon fiber. Well, maybe pick up the camera. This camera not cool. Ooh, that's the second time. Okay, I'm just cut. I didn't cut it. I'm good. I'm good. I didn't cut it. I almost did. I almost did. I almost did. I'm just gonna. Mwah. 69 charge. I like that the way it is. Oh, okay. Okay. Here's the thing. Okay, you see the package? Okay, if you look close enough, there's a strip that goes across. I'll show you. There's a strip that goes across the screen. You can see it now. That strip right there is a strip of carbon fiber. It's cool. So it's an all blocked out charger. I love those cars. They're so beautiful. Man, they're just striking. Oh, I love that car. I just love that. Imagine that having that. Imagine that as a Journal Lee. We paint that as a Journal Lee. Man, that would look beautiful. I might just get another one of these with the Journal Lee. Anyway, so there's that one. I don't know if I want to open this one. Actually, let me look here. I want to see how much they're worth first before I go with buying or opening it. Let's see how much that was worth too. Oh, here. Here we are. Yeah, I've seen a bunch of them. Not working. Okay, here it is. Volkswagen T2 pickup. And man, it's such a job. I'm pretty sure you can stick a Hot Wheels on a bed this. She is pretty, and I love the tractor. There's my cracker off. No, don't cut yourself. What? Something just lit up. Okay. Package get on. Here is. Oh, you didn't see the package. See it? It's empty now. My Walker Family Dollar, we see stuff like this all the time. Not particularly Hot Wheels, but products in general. They're just like boxes empty because people steal shit. But yeah, it's got 1552 graphics on it. Really nice golden wheels in this. It has retro written literally all over it, and you can see the engine. It's got this retro looking paint scheme on the side. Just a little imagine riding one of those. Cause look at it. It looks a little. It's round and it's cute. It's called cute. Okay. I'm printing out cars. I have literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 special. You'll see why. The next one we're going to do is this one. It's an older one again. This is the Toyota 2000 GT, and it's nice. I have a bunch. I have a couple. I think I have another one that's in black. But this one's really nice. So I'm gonna crack it open. That's how they should open. Is when they just go like that. See, here's the package. See it? It's not orange, it's red. It's literally red. It looks orange to the camera, but it's actually red. Yeah, there's that. Looks really nice, and this part, I can tell my dad's throwing this in a wash or something with cologne, because it smells like cologne. And it's not even, wasn't even open yet, it smells like cologne. It smells like good cologne. There's that one. This next one, because I have like 2 more that I don't have a thing in them. That they're from a new one. this one is really pretty. I've never really seen one. I've heard there's one in the town over across the river from me. But I've never actually seen the year for this one. That is the 1967 Dodge Charger. Right, I'm gonna crack. Ooh, I should probably put. You know what? Screw the knife. Don't need a knife. Okay. There's that. Little package. Have the package. Okay. Goodbye. Birds chirping at 3:30 in the morning. Okay, this is a Dodge Charger. With white and this really nice, like, light blue metallic paint. And I really like this car. It looks really cool. I like that and the 67 Barracuda. And this big guy. I want to get a smaller version of this one. This is a 1969 Ford Torino Talladega. Ford Grand Torino Talladega. And it looks nice. I'll drop it. Yeah. That's that one. Not that one, but yeah, you get what I mean. Yeah. I like those fastback cars. Another one, I literally just got this off my dad. You know what? Now let's. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get this one. No. I'm just gonna pick one. Okay. This is the one of the last, ones. Actually, no. Hold on here. I don't know which one to open. People are like, well, okay, well, just pick one. This is a nice car, though. Let's go ahead and open this one. This is the 1988 Honda CRX. And it's redness. See it. Now, what's weird is, if you look at the wheels, they look like those kind of wheels. But then they actually just got regular wheels on it. So we're going to crack that one open. And this one wasn't even halfway, like, oh my god. This one wasn't even fully sealed. And I'm like, open it like a piece of pie. I should have might as well been on a hinge. Like, literally. You saw the package already. That was awesome. I'm gonna leave that there. I'll put a picture of what I just did later. But actually, you know what? Ooh. I'll take a picture of it. That was awesome. Okay. Sorry about that. It, like, my shelf, I have literally, I've seen a package and it, like, caught between the shelf and the wall of the shelf. So it's, like stuck there. But yeah. There is the, now that picks up its red a little bit. But there is that, they did the back, I don't know why they don't do both ends. Oh. I hear choo-choo. Almost sound like a train. I mean, it sounds like a train horn, but something that's ready to die. I've seen trains catch fire, literally just going down tracks and they were literally on fire. That's because one of the turbo engines blew up. But anyways, yeah, you saw it. As I was saying, they didn't put anything on the front for like the headlights or anything, but they totally did in the back. And it's like, okay, yeah, there's that one. And then this one I just got off my dad tonight, and I love it. It's just so beautiful. Yeah. I'm going to bed after this. I gotta go to church in a minute. this one, oh, let me show you the package actually. There she is. It's actually red, not orange. It's red. Yeah, there it is. The whole thing came off. I don't like that. I just want it. Hang on, I gotta figure out how to fix that. Oh well. But that was that. You saw the package. This one. I love it. This is one of my favorite Styles favorite. And I really liked it because they did the detail on the crown bumper. But yeah, there it is. This is actually red, not orange. Just so you know. There's that one. Now, this one I'm not going to open. Actually, I'm going to look this one up just to be on the safe side. Very good, can you spell that wrong? There we are. How much are you with? So help me know, what is it? Hot Wheels? The Hot Ones. The Hot Ones. Yeah, I ain't opening you. That's one for 30 bucks. I ain't opening you. You can stay in that package. Anyways, this next one is the last one of the night. And I'm not opening it ever. Maybe until I sell it. Maybe until I sell it. I want to sell it. I can't open it either which way. But my Family Dollar, for as long as I can remember, got a not super treasure hunt, but a treasure hunt car. And I got the treasure hunt twin mill. And I really love the deco on it. And you can see the symbol on top of the car. And let's see if I can throw it back there. Probably can't see it. Yeah, actually, partially can. Hold on here. Can you see it? Maybe? Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you saw it. There's that, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, there she is. And I like it because it's in my school colors, purple and gold. Yeah, there's that. I mean, I'm not opening her along with the Hearst old that wants 30 bucks for it. Let me get. Now while I'm lining this up, YouTube, as I was saying earlier, really pulled a big one, and I'm pretty much done with them at this point. I don't know why they're wanting to be automatic douchebags in their car, and they know they are. They're treating everybody like shit now. But the whole, where I have to have 1,000 subscribers to live stream with my phone is a bunch of horse shit. Not gonna lie. If that's the case, you guys are pretty much toast. Of course, I don't know anybody who streams from their phone, so it is what it is, I guess. There's so many. Ah, my goodness. Stay. Okay. Put you right there. Go right there. I'm gonna move my phone out of there. I have so many. know I'm quiet, but don't move a muscle. Thank you. Yeah, muscle. Muscle guy. Alright, you ready? Literally see all there's someone right through here to here. Can't see that camera. Here, and one right it won't shut up. Yeah. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels. Ooh, look at this. Hold on. So, yeah, there's 3 minutes left in the stream, and I'll just say quit. But yeah. I will be getting rid of my Krypton board. A friend of mine named Brent is going to learn how to skateboard. He's 30. He's going to learn how to skateboard. So I'm going to stick him on a board and off he goes. But yeah. So yeah, I won't be having Krypton board. I'll just keep my retrospect board. And I'll be that. Oh, if you didn't notice, I have day glasses. I can see now. But anyways, I'm just going to leave that there. That card, the Honda CRX. That dude. Hopefully I can get money on these one day. I probably will. Another glove. But anywho, 2 minutes left. I might as well just like one in a sack for stream's sake. But yeah. Skateboarding wise, I don't know what I'm gonna do next with skateboard. I could get parts of a skateboard and build my own. The possibility. I want to get my own design board. As you can see, it's my channel art. I have that one board. I would love to have that design. Could have an Elvis skateboard, but I don't know. I wouldn't want to post it in my videos because it would get copyrighted. Because suck. Fucking YouTube. Oh my god. Do such a thing. Oh yeah. You stream on mobile? Sucks to be you. 1,000 subscribers requirement. Why do you have a feature there? Why does it have the button? I'm never gonna get 1,000 subscribers. I'm just it's just not gonna happen. I'm targeting I don't know what audience I'm trying to target here, but yeah. I just realized my hands. Well, let me hold out here. My hands don't go. This one don't go all the way back. This one does. It's weird. Right here. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Bye.